Ambassador, it's Sixto Dantes. Hi! Say hi to everyone. Hey.
Happening right now on Showbiz Balita. May bagong endorsement na naman si Sixto Dantes, ang bunsong anak ni Dendong Dantes at Marian Rivera. Kasama ng bagets ang mom niya sa pag-endorso ng Century Tuna Crispy Nuggets. Pero ang napansin ng mga netizens ay ang kagwapuhan at ang face card ni Sixto.
Nikki has already piqued our interest to find out what the Century Tuna Nugget is all about. So can we please bring in some Century Tuna Nugget for everybody to sample right about now? Yay! Yes, we are going to bring it. Thank you very much to Marian and to Sixto. Okay, parang napapansin ko, Marian, si Sixto may favorite na nuggie. Parang sabi niya kanina, gusto daw niya yung yung nakasalamin. What's your favorite? Which one? So let's bring in the Century. Oh, sabi sa'yo yung may salamin talaga. That's Sixto's favorite. He likes it a lot. Oh, there you go. We are now going to have Marian and Sixto with the Century Tuna Nuggets.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready to eat the Century Tuna Nuggets?
Yes.
Yes? Is that your favorite?
Yes.
Oh, let's try. Can you eat? What?
Yummy.
Yummy. Is that crispy?
Yes.
Eat everything. Sige, ubusin mo yan. Favorite kasi talaga niya. Okay, 16, you can play now. Say bye to everyone muna. Hi, Sixto. So let's bring in a little something from your CPFI family. Wala sa script yan. Everyone, let's all wish Marian a happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wow, salamat naman to my Century. Oh. Thank you. Anak, narapto mo na ba yan? Thank you. Can we all wish Marian a happy birthday? Let's just 3DH Asia nakakatulong sa development. At the same time, fish, healthy. Diba? So parang ang saya. At ito pa ang twist dyan. Okay, twist? May tatlong M ako kaya ako siya favorite. Oh, may tatlong M. Okay, ano yung tatlong M? Mura. Yes. Can you imagine 12 pieces, 99 pesos lang. Oh, wow. Masustansya. Diba? Mura na, masustansya. Ano pa yung isang M? Masarap. Masarap! Bibigyan kita ng tuna,